Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML on mobile. First, download a suitable code editor app from your app store. Many free options are available. Next, familiarize yourself with fundamental HTML concepts like headings, paragraphs, and links. Begin by typing out basic HTML documents, observing how different tags structure content. This hands-on approach on your mobile device will quickly build your foundational understanding. Selecting the right tools is crucial for mobile HTML learning. Look for apps that provide syntax highlighting, making your code easier to read, and auto-completion, which speeds up typing. Many mobile browsers also offer developer tools. Learn to use them for inspecting elements and debugging. An integrated live preview feature within your editor app is incredibly helpful for seeing immediate results of your code changes. Consistent practice is key to mastering HTML on mobile. Dedicate a short period each day to coding small projects, like a personal profile page or a simple recipe card. Leverage the vast array of free online tutorials and official HTML documentation, which are easily accessible on your mobile browser. Engaging with online developer communities can also provide valuable insights and help when you encounter challenges. Once comfortable with HTML basics, delve into responsive design to ensure your web pages look great on any device, from a small phone to a large tablet. Next, begin integrating CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactive elements, expanding your mobile development capabilities significantly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. This will elevate your projects and make them truly dynamic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.